Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is first thing in the morning for me and I just cleansed my skin. So now I am toning it up with this amazing toner. This is definitely not another skincare routine video. This is actually a DIY video. So yeah, I am trying out this DIY that I've been wanting to do for a while. It's something that is really big in the Asian community and I can see why. It feels really good. I feel like I'm doing so much for my skin right now. Let me throw that away. So what are we doing today? We are going to make a DIY. I got all this excess. We're going to make a DIY ginseng toner. So if you're not familiar with ginseng, it is really, like I said, really big in the Asian community. And I don't necessarily mean like Chinese, Japanese, Korean. I mean like in general, the Asian community. It's such a great herb. And when you pull it straight from places like Korea, it's going to have such amazing benefits to your skin. Obviously ingesting it has its own benefits, but putting it on top of your skin, so great. So it naturally has vitamin C, which makes it really great if you're not getting it in your current skincare products. This is definitely something you do tend to use more at night than during the day because of the vitamin C. But since today's kind of a rainy day, I know that I'm not going to be like outside getting sun exposure, so you know this doesn't bother me too much. But why ginseng? So ginseng is a natural antioxidant, is natural anti-aging. It is a great natural skin balancer. So it comes in and it just helps rebalance all your pH levels. Again, it's fighting against wrinkles. With the, because it's anti-aging, because it has antioxidants in it, so it's trying to help reverse and correct what's currently going on. It's also anti-inflammatory, so those of you who have really sensitive skin, this is really great because it's going to do is restore back what your skin needs. So if you want to find out how to do it, stick around. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and sharing is caring. The great thing about this is that you can either put this in a spray bottle or do it like I did and just put little cotton pads so the juice absorbs. But it's super easy, only requires 2 ingredients. So let's get started.